The last 3 days we've run the second Indigenous Futures High School Challenge, where again we have had roughly 100 students invade Curtin campus.
We spent the first day doing some journaling and learning about how you can write journaling and how it can be represented in other ways, and it's not just like the news.
We learned about how we can approach people and get the most information out of them with simple questions.
We got to connect with them and we got to learn about their personalities. We also got to make a video game and we got to present it in front of the class.
The game I helped do is a spy game and it's been really fun. I've enjoyed it a lot.
On the third day, the final day, we presented our characters and our game designs to some judges.
Together we were working to answer the question, what would an Indigenous future look like in the creative industries?
The storytelling in the Indigenous will help in the regards to the art and the industry because of all the traditional stories that are told, passed down from generations and generations. It'll help kind of imagine all the things you could do with all that information.
Indigenous people are known for their art, so I think we should get more recognised for our art, on fashion designs.
As a takeaway from the 3 days, we hope to normalise the university experience for Indigenous students and to make sure they're aware that they're worthy of being here and studying at university.
I think we get a lot to learn because Indigenous people are the first people on this land, so we get to learn a lot from them.
When it comes to dot painting and rug painting, it can tell a story and it can show the future and the past of the people.
I really enjoyed meeting new people, people with my culture, similarities,
We also embed a lot of activities which involve taking up space. So we have taken over the creative quarter where we've had footies being kicked, we've had cultural art, we've all had a good feed together, and it just brings a whole lot of different students from different schools across Western Australia together to connect and engage and hopefully make friendships that they can then carry on into university if they choose to study together.